Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, today's video is the perfect way to start your Power BI journey. I'm going to walk you through the process of writing a simple piece of M code inside Power Query, and don't worry if that sounds complicated. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use M code to automatically categorize your sales data, even if you've never touched Power BI before. Let's dive right in. First, we need to load our sample data. Over in Power BI, head up to the Home tab and click Enter Data. Picture this as opening up a mini spreadsheet inside Power BI. Let's call this table Sales and fill it out with 3 simple rows. Laptop with sales of 1200, smartphone with 800, and desk chair with 150. If you're following along, just type these in, nothing fancy required. Each row is like a real-world product in a shop, so imagine you're building a basic inventory list. Once you've got your data, our next step is to open up the Power Query editor. This is where we'll be writing that small bit of M code. Go back to the Home tab and click Transform Data. Give Power BI a second, it might take a moment depending on your computer. You'll know you're in Power Query when you see a new window pop up. It's got a different layout, all dedicated to shaping and cleaning your data. Now comes the fun part, adding a custom column using M code. Over here in Power Query, there's a tab called Add Column at the top. Click on that and choose Custom Column. A new window pops up. It might look a bit intimidating at first, but don't worry, you're just going to write a short formula. In the formula box, enter, if sales 500 then high else low. You'll see this formula down in the video description as well in case you want to copy and paste it. And make sure to name your new column category. So what's happening here? This formula checks each sales value. If it's more than 500, Power Query adds the word high in the category column. If it's 500 or less, it adds low. Think of it as setting up an auto-sorting system. You're teaching Power BI how to instantly label your top sellers versus your lower sellers. At this point, you might be wondering, wait, how is this different from Excel formulas? Great question. This code is actually written in M, which is a unique language just for Power Query, not Excel and not DAX, which you might have heard of elsewhere in Power BI. M is designed for cleaning and transforming data behind the scenes before any analysis begins. If you're curious what's really happening under the hood, here's a peek. Up in Power Query, there's a button called Advanced Editor. Click on it, and you'll see the exact M code Power Query has generated for your steps. There's a let statement where your original sales table is loaded, and then this magical line called Table Add Column actually builds out our new category column using that if statement you wrote. Honestly, getting comfortable peeking at this code gives you a lot of power to customize your data transformations down the road. Almost done. Once you're happy with your changes, go ahead and click Close and Apply. Power BI will chew on your updates for a moment and then drop you back into the report view. Now check your table. It should have your original products, their sales amounts, and the new category column neatly labeling each product as high or low based on those sales numbers. It's a small step, but it lays the groundwork for all sorts of automated data work in Power BI. That's it. You've just written your first bit of M code in Power Query. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions or want to learn about more advanced M code, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.